Welcome to Westgate Chevrolet. Today we're taking a quick look at some of the interior and exterior features on our 2012 Toyota Camry. This vehicle is featured in white metallic paint with alloy rims. We have our front and rear privacy tint, sunroof, backup camera, as well as leather seating and heated seats. Now moving on to the interior of the Camry, we'll take a look at a few of the interior features, starting off with the door panel. We have soft touch above, our door handle. We also have the window controls, mirror controls, and rear window locks, close handle, speaker and storage underneath, and on the side of the seat we have our seat controls and lumbar support adjustment. And now moving off to the left, we have our traction control. Underneath we have a small cubby, gauge cluster. Then on the steering wheel we have our controls for our phone and voice commands, our Toyota badge in the middle, and off to the left we have our radio controls. You can see we do also have paddle shifters behind and the cruise control stalk located underneath. Steering wheel is wrapped in a black leather with our grips. We have our clock up in front, vents, and then our infotainment screen, control knobs for the radio off to either side, and then our applications buttons just located around. Under that we have our climate controls. And we have our heated seat options for the two front passengers, two cup holders. We also have a removable clip in the middle, which also folds down. Gear selection stalk. Our small storage just in front of the padded leather center console lid with a 12-volt charging port, perfect for charging your phone. So this armrest slides forward and backwards. It's finished in black leather. Inside we have plenty of storage room. The front seats are finished in a black leather with gray stitching. Farther down we'll see we have a gray strip, and then transition to a suede-like material finished in perforations. Again, these are heated front seats. On the rearview mirror we have the setting that shows which direction we're headed in. Above that we have our sunglass holder, as well as dome lights, dome light settings, 3 garage door openers, and sunroof and moonroof controls. For our sunroof and moonroof overhead. Now back onto the exterior, we can take a closer look at our alloy rims with Toyota badge sensor caps. We also have our paint matched mirror caps, sunroof above with our fin antenna. You can see front and rear privacy tint in the vehicle, our gas filler cap, and around to the back we have our Camry badging, as well as SE Sport and dual exhaust. Now moving on to the rear interior of the Camry, we'll take a look at the rear door panel, which also features our door handle, window switch, close handle, and storage underneath. Back of the front seats we have our leather magazine holders, and back of the center console area we have a holder for our phones. The rear seats are also featured in our black leather with our black suede-esque pattern in the lower portion, with perforations and our gray leather trim accent. We also have our fold-down center seat, which features 2 cup holders and a small armrest. Thank you for joining me for this video walk-around of the 2012 Toyota Camry. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more daily videos, and we hope to see you in at Westgate Chevrolet sometime very soon.